TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee has once again mimicked Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and this time it was in West Bengal. Now he said that not once but will mimic him 1,000 times. Mimicry is a fundamental right. Now these are the latest inputs that we are getting in. TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee has once again mimicked the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. Now this time he has reached out and mimicked him in West Bengal. Earlier this happened outside the parliament when all the opposition MPs were protesting against the suspension of the MPs from the winter session. Now joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Kamalika Sengupta. Very good morning, Kamalika. VP Dhankar's remarks came days after TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee was seen mimicking. Now again he has mimicked. How is this now going to be perceived, and what more reactions do we have?
See, another video has come up. The verification of the video is still not clear, but in this video it is seen that Kalyan Banerjee, he is actually saying that he is mimicked Jagdeep Dhankar without naming him, but he is saying that they are all behaving like kids in a school, and they are crying and crying and crying. That's what the content of the video. Kalyan Banerjee is saying it in a public meeting, that this is something like kids that they are doing. He has also stressed that he is also always into acting, but this is something which they have taken it in a bad note. And look, the way they are crying like children in a school, and they are crying like baby. So that is what Kalyan Banerjee's this video is all about, where he has said that after all this mimicry incident, the way reactions are coming in, that is like the child in a school, that is like students in a school, and they are crying. So this will again lead to controversy, definitely, because this is the second time he has done so.
Right. Kamalika, help us also understand that opposition is time and again taking digs at the people in position, and like VP Dhankar also said that his constitutional positions as chairman and Rajya Sabha are also not being respected. What more do we know about this?
See, if we see the relationship between Jagdeep Dhankar and Trinamool Party was not good from the days when he was the governor. From that point of time, constantly there was a friction between the post of governor and Trinamool Congress, and now he is the vice president. So this has continued. So obviously there is criticism against Trinamool Congress by doing as they are doing such act, but at the same time, we are getting it from inside the party that in a democracy there is a provision of in a democracy they have the right to come out with cartoons and all these things and caricatures.
Right.
So why these things will be taken so seriously? That is their point. On the other hand, since this position, Jagdeep Dhankar's position is a constitutional position, how much of that is right to go with such type of satire is also a big question.
All right. Okay, Kamalika, thank you so much for all those details. But before we move forward, we'll quickly take a look at some of the reactions coming in on this report.
बेशर्मी की हद जिस प्रकार से कल्याण बनर्जी जो टीएमसी के सांसद हैं, इससे पहले भी राष्ट्रपति जी का मजाक उड़ा चुके हैं, उपराष्ट्रपति जी का। आखिर ये चाहते क्या है? इस देश के संविधान पर रहे पदों पर बैठने वाले व्यक्ति के प्रति इनकी क्या भावनाएं हैं, ये भली भांति समझ आती है। बंगाल में इन लोगों ने जिस प्रकार से गुंडाराज और लोगों को दबाने का काम किया है, वो समझते हैं ये भी संविधान किसी तरीके से चलता है।
Well, these are the latest inputs that we've been getting in. Now, TMC's MP Kalyan Banerjee has once again mimicked the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. In lieu to this, Jagdeep Dhankar on Sunday said that he's a sufferer and knows how to withstand everything from within, taking everything up front. Now, he's referred to himself as a sufferer who had endured insults time and again as the Vice President and as the chairperson of Rajya Sabha. Now, his remarks came days after TMC MP MP Kalyan Banerjee was seen mimicking the Rajya Sabha chairman and sparked a controversy. Yet another controversy has been spiraled off after TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee once again mimicked Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and this time he was in West Bengal while addressing an event. Now he said TMC MP has said that not once but will mimic 1,000 times. Let's listen in what the MP had to say.
এটা মিমিক্রির জন্য কান্না, এটা ছোটবেলার বাচ্চা ছেলে ব্যাপার হয়ে যায়। ও মা দেখো না, আমার কেন ব্যাগাচ্ছে, দেখো না মা, আমার ব্যাগাচ্ছে, দেখো আমার ব্যাগাচ্ছে, দেখো ব্যাগাচ্ছে। আবার কি হয়? আমার ছাত্র জীবন অন্যরকম ছিল। সঙ্গীতের মধ্যে, নাটকের মধ্যে, অভিনয়ের মধ্যে আমার ছাত্র জীবন কেটেছে। I have enjoyed it.